Yeah, welcome friends. Welcome to Kishan's University of Sustainability. Today I'm coming with you, a new topic that is cryptocurrencies and sustainability. So in this world, we are witnessing that the cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin, is surging a tremendous journey from $1 to almost yesterday it crossed 64,000 US dollars. So in this remarkable journey of Bitcoin, so everyone focusing on Bitcoin, how the cryptocurrency is working. So what is all about Bitcoin and what is all about other Bitcoin exchanges and all. So even recently, the Tesla, founder Elon Musk also announced that anyone can come with Bitcoins and take a Tesla car. So even recently, yesterday on 14th of April 2021, the Coinbase, which is a American-based company that was cryptocurrency exchange company, which has yesterday has taken a step towards to listing in the prestigious stock exchange that is Nasdaq. So all these words are pushing the people mind towards to think about what is cryptocurrency and what is Bitcoin. So what is all background about the Bitcoin and all. So even what is about the blockchain technology and what is mining and what is Satoshi and all these words will coming to mind of different people. So now we have to focus in this video that so how what is the major relation between Bitcoin and sustainability? How Bitcoin exchanges, how Bitcoin work is really towards making a sense of sustainability. Then we will discuss in this lecture. And here you can see we are in line with towards sustainable development goals. That those are 17 goals which are framed by United Nations in the year of 2015. We are all together, all stakeholders. We are trying towards to meet all these goals by 2030. And here, yes, the today's topic is cryptocurrency and sustainability. What is all about cryptocurrency and sustainability? How can we make bitcoins more sustainable? How can we make the cryptocurrency into green industry? So all these we will look at about in this video. So here, according to the University of Cambridge, that estimates that Bitcoin's annual electricity consumption is more than the Netherlands and United Arab Emirates and Argentina electricity demand. So here, the mining for cryptocurrency is very, very intensive towards to power consumption. So here, so according to this Cambridge University report has mentioned that. And according to a study which is in 2019, from Aalborg University, which has mentioned that estimated that the Bitcoin mining network in 2018 had an annual footprint of 17.29 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. And according to the Cambridge Center of Alternative Finance, Bitcoin currently uses more electricity than entire countries of Austria and Greece combined. Since the most recent surge in market price, which began in November 2020, the energy demands of the Bitcoin network have doubled. So, and you can observe here, the Bitcoin uses more energy than Argentina. If Bitcoin, we can treat Bitcoin as a country, you can see that Bitcoin will be in the top 30 energy users in the worldwide. So according to the University of Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index, so which was published in BBC. So here you can see that the Bitcoin was placed in about 30. So here, this is what about the Bitcoin using for mining the electricity consumption. And dear friends, here you can see how the Bitcoin has surged towards about $64,000. Here in February 2011, the value of Bitcoin in terms of USD, that was only $1. So coming to 2017, that was reached 10K mark, 10K used, 10K used dollars. And then in 2020 December, and almost 10K. And 2021 January, and you can see that it already crashed 30 and 40. In February, it crashed $50,000 US dollars. And in March, at the March end of this year, the Bitcoin has soared to and touched the 60K US dollars. Yesterday, that was 15th April 2021, the Bitcoin has touched that 64,000 US dollars. This is what the journey of Bitcoin. You can see the Bitcoin is improving day by day, but even more, the energy consumption also improving. The energy consumption also improving. We should focus on how to minimize the energy consumption for mining. So this is what our main motto in the sustainability of Bitcoin. So here there are many cryptocurrencies in the world like Bitcoin and Litecoin and Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash and Zcash and Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Like this, there are many coins in that. And here we have the major accord which has there at the world level, that is Crypto Climate Accord. So in surging demand for cryptocurrencies and accelerating adoption of blockchain technology based solutions, I've highlighted the critical issue, that is technology's growing energy consumption. The technology's growing energy consumption is going to impact our climate and ultimately will lead to unsustainable lifestyle. So that's why the Crypto Climate Accord is working collaboratively with crypto industry, including all blockchains, to transition to 100% renewables. This is a good step which is taken by Crypto Climate Accord. And the Energy Wave, the Alliance for Innovative Regulation, and RMI, or launched that Crypto Climate Accord. So they got the inspired by the Paris Climate Agreement. The accord is a private sector-led initiative for the entire crypto community focused on decarbonizing the cryptocurrency industry in record time. And here you can observe there are many major core principles are there for Crypto Climate Accord, where there's that one build on existing forward progress. So here the electricity that powers the sector of this crypto industry is going to decarbonizing. Renewables have become cost competitive in energy markets around the world. So as a result, a growing share of grid is becoming cleaner. And coming to mind the gap principle, here recognizing that significant work remains to done, and there is a substantial opportunity to close the gap between crypto emissions today and net zero emissions industry. And move quickly. Crypto's roots in open source, again, and technology innovation make crypto an ideal candidate to achieve something the world has yet to see. So rapid industry-wide decarbonization. And decentralized open source technology can accelerate progress. Here, the same open source decentralized technology underpinning the global crypto industry, blockchain, can bring transformational levels of data transparency and trust to decarbonize efforts, and voluntary, market oriented, and value added. So voluntary private sector led action of Crypto Climate Accord on the crypto industry decarbonization should be powered by a shared vision and market driven solutions that will going to accelerate the market growth and also create a long term value, and also it will convert the crypto sustainable economy. So here, community driven. So all crypto communities should work together according to the principle of this Crypto Climate Accord. So with urgency to ensure crypto does not further exacerbate global warming, but instead becomes a net positive contributor to the vital transformation towards a low carbon global economy. So the main objectives of Crypto Climate Accord, or the major overall objective of this accord is to decarbonize the global crypto industry. So other objectives as outlined by Crypto Climate Accord, those are enable all of the world's blockchains to be powered by 100% renewables by the 2025
UNFCCC COP conference, and develop an open source accounting standard for measuring emissions from the cryptocurrency industry. And then the achieve net zero emissions for the entire crypto industry, including all business operations beyond blockchains, and retroactive emissions by 2040. So here, and these are the major steps has taken towards to make the cryptocurrency to be become sustainable in the future and to decarbonize the entire crypto industry. And that's it for today's lecture. I hope you will get something new stuff today. Thank you very much, friends, and make sure that you have to share, subscribe, and like, and make a comment. Thank you so much.